I feel like I'm living in someone else's movie. I'm always comparing myself to other people. There's always someone better than me, richer than me, hotter than me. And I'm always putting other people on a pedestal. That makes me feel like a supporting actor in my own life. Sometimes I even treat myself like an extra in my movie. I ignore my needs and wants. I have zero boundaries. Other people's needs always come first. But I'm done acting like an extra in this low-budget indie movie I call my life. I'm meant for something bigger and better. I deserve so much more. I deserve to be a lead in an Oscar-worthy movie. So today I'm rewriting the script of my life. I'm stepping into my starring role. I release the need to people please. I'm shifting all the attention and focus on myself. That doesn't mean I don't care about other people. It simply means I'm learning to love and care for myself too. I'm learning to honor my intuition. And just like any movie, I choose to embrace my journey with all its plot twists, all of its ups and downs, because that is what makes a great movie. From today onwards, I choose to live my life with courage. And if anyone else doesn't like it, well, they can audition for a different movie. Because I am the producer, the writer, and the director of my own movie. And this is how I like it.